TICE Funding Index, your weekly wrap of the biggest capital moves. This week, funding momentum stayed sharp and focused across quick commerce, deep tech, wealth tech, and enterprise AI, even though the late-stage deals continued to be a little selective. What truly stood out was a decisive shift toward automation, AI-native platforms, infrastructure-scale investments, and globally scalable product companies. So let's have a look at top 10 funding headlines of the week that you need to know. Quick commerce continues its breakneck sprint. Blinkit has secured approx rupees 600 crore from its parent, Eternal Ltd, which was previously known as Zomato. Blinkit added 272 dark stores in Q2, far outspacing its competitor Swiggy, who opted for 40 additions, which rivals like Big Basket securing debt and Zepto raising a massive $450 million recently. The quick commerce race is only heating up, and Blinkit clearly wants to stay ahead in the race. Bangalore-based toy tech disruptor Mirana Toys has raised rupees 57.5 crore in a round led by Arkham Ventures, with XL, InfoEdge, and Riverwalk joining in. The startup is setting up a new, fully integrated factory featuring injection molding, die casting, and in-house packaging, pushing India closer to becoming a global toy manufacturing hub. Well, deep tech is having its moment. LightSpeed Photonics has raised $6.5 million in pre-Series A. The startup will set up an advanced R&D facility and scale collaborations with OEM and cloud partners. Their tech promise faster, deeper, and lower power data movement. AI-native sourcing platform Zinit has bagged $8 million, valuing the company at $48 million. The company is doubling down on India and has appointed former EY leader Naveen Suri as India Regional Director. Zinit automates supplier discovery, negotiations, and RFP cycles for other B2B platforms. Healthcare deep tech startup Morphle Labs has secured $5 million in Series A from Inflection Ventures. Morphle's robotic systems aims to transfer various treatments that are unautomated segments of diagnostics. With over 80 patents filed, Morphle is now gearing up for global expansion across the US and Europe market. Wealth tech platform Wealthy has raised rupees 130 crore led by Birdsman India, with participation from Alpha Wave Global and Shepherd's Hill. They plan to onboard 50,000 distributors and push towards managing rupees 1 lakh crore in assets. OYO's investment arm, OYO Assets, has raised rupees 125 crore to accelerate total acquisition across premium and mid-premium segments. The company is targeting 12 acquisitions this year, with 7 already underway. This round strengthens its strategy of building a resilient, cash flow, scalable, and hospitality assets portfolio. InfoEdge is doubling down on its investment engine. The company has approved a fresh rupees 75 crore infusion, including 70 crore into Startup Investment Limited, which is known as SIHL. It is the VC arm of InfoEdge. Digital Connexion will invest $11 billion to build a 1 GW AI native data center campus in Visakhapatnam by 2030. The 400-acre campus will cater to hyperscalers, cloud giants, and enterprises building large-scale AI workloads. A mega move that cements India's role in global digital infrastructure. Fintech startup axiTrust has raised rupees 23.5 crore in seed funding led by General Catalyst. The company is building the digital backbone for large-scale surety bond adoption across India's banking, insurance, and procurement ecosystem. That's all for this week's Funding Index. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and like, and stay tuned for next week's edition. We will see you next week. Until then, keep reading more startup stories only on TICE.news.